Hello guys, it's Super Kevin Bros, and I'm gonna be unboxing a phone. It's Samsung X Flame, as you can see right there. And this is a pretty cool phone, I think, because my friends have it, so I just bought one, and I'm gonna be unboxing one. So, oh, whoa, get that. Okay, so we have this. Let me take the battery on. Hold on. Let's look at the phone right there. I'm gonna take. Sorry. Okay. So now, I'm gonna be showing you what's inside the box. Like that. It includes the charger, but I took it out. It has this little paper. It says what you think about your phone. The user guide. Yeah. And this thing. And if you didn't know, it's in Spanish and in English, so you can vamos and hold up. Get started. So I also have this thing, the Guia de Features Guide. Sorry for speaking Spanish. I know how to speak Spanish. So. Yeah. And so the paper. And I don't know what this is. It's just a freaking piece of paper. And a box to recycle your phone or something. Anyways, get the phone now. Look at it. It's really precious. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this thing on because I bought. So I'm gonna see how this thing comes on. So let's turn it on. So if you don't know, it slides up. Take this thing off. And it slides sideways. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. You can see it on the box. It says, yeah. The cool thing about this is that you have and GPS, and you have internet. Let's see, what do we have here? Internet, Google, Facebook, and I'm gonna log in. So hold on a second. Okay, so I just logged in. Oh wow. Okay. So I logged in and found my Facebook. I don't know what else. And there you can see the cool part about it. Let me text someone. I want to text someone. See, right when you slide it, the texting thing comes on. So I'm gonna put text message. Hold on. I'm gonna text. I don't know who to text. So see how it feels. Oh, it actually feels pretty good. So yeah, this is a really cool phone. I really like it. Cool thing about it is I can get into the internet. I'm sorry for not showing my face. We're not supposed to. And I'm gonna show you how to get in the internet or something. gonna go like that. Make it stand like this. Okay, so it says press down and back to unlock. This is the internet. What I like, you can go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube right now. It comes in the Google part of it. So as you can see, I'm on YouTube, and I'm gonna sign in. Hold on for a second. Okay. So I'm signing in. Okay, so I'm signed in, and you can see Super Captain Bros right there. Yeah. Anyways, oh crap. You can go to anything. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was actually supposed to happen. No, okay. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it.